my channel. I have a guest today. It's my son Gabriel, and we actually just got this STEM kit. And I didn't realize this, but there was also going to be a math and literacy kit as well. So he's going to help me open it and unbox it, one box at a time. You want to open the box, bud? So we're going to do the math and literacy kit first, and then we're going to do the STEM kit. It's got two. Can you help?
Yeah.
The STEM kit has two boxes. Okay. This side. I think it's. Oh, we're opening. Okay, no, it's right. It's right. So, alright, so. No, so math and literacy kit has everything you need for obviously math and literacy, and they give you this little. Hold on, buddy. They give you a little checklist that you go through. They did this at the packing factory, so we're gonna go ahead and get one more. Now let's see. Get the whiteboard. It's got a handwriting lines and on one side and blank on the others. Bottom, very bottom. Trust the camera. Lines on that side. Blank on that side. Miss it in the check. All right. And then there's going to be a little baggie, and inside the baggie, it's got. Here, bring it up. Hold up to the camera. It's got dry erase markers. There's like 5 of those. It's got 10 frame chips in it. It's got a little pencil grip and small dry erasers. And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, got that. And there's gonna be like a plastic sleeve right here. This is purple.
It's purple, which is
Cool.
mainly mine.
This is all your stuff. And then a place value chart. You want to grab that, Kayla? It's got a little blue handle on it.
Oh, handle?
Yep. This is really cool. This is all the stuff that is inside the math literacy kit. This side has ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s, and this side has all the way up to millions. We already opened up my other son's kit earlier to look up inside it. There's a lot of stuff. It's crazy how much they got. Now, next thing is going to be a number line.
A number line.
Right? Yep.
Uh-huh.
It's a double-sided number line. You got 1 through 10 and 1 through 20.
Then,
And you can do like a little math problem.
yeah, math problems.
A little
Cool.
bit closer to.
I love that. That's the cool thing about that.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, that is really cool.
And then you're gonna have a laminated hundreds chart. Yep. You wanna show them screen?
Yeah, this is like there's one with numbers
And then you got the blank side.
Blank side.
Alright, and the base 10 sets. You got the flat base 10s, and then you got the smart hat.
They're basically from K-12.
No, K-12 was our old school.
Was our old school, but
almost every school uses these. Are actually from Learning Resources, and it's really nice.
Yeah, I like them, but mainly they're very easy. They're very easy to lose for the small cube ones.
Oh, of course. All right, and then there is a 10 frame. You got 2 of those. Why do you get 2 of those? You're only supposed to have 1. Okay, well, let's look at it. We'll just make sure it goes back to the school.
Yeah, that's fine. But
and then there should be pattern blocks.
Pattern blocks.
So they look like this.
They look like
10 frame. That's what they look like. All right, now showing the pattern blocks.
pattern blocks right here.
Again, this stuff is so fun. I haven't seen schools give out these things.
I had to mine.
They're foam shaped pattern blocks.
Very easy to destroy.
Very easy. Just don't let the dog get it. Okay, and then hold on. We need the letter tiles pouch to go. Yep. It looks like this. And on the other side you get looks like fill activities on the back of those things, what it looks like, and then you got all these little letter tiles inside it. And then we need the wiki sticks.
Yeah, wiki sticks. You can craft
I haven't seen these since I was in school.
Yeah.
They have a how to make wiki glasses in the back and flowers. Hold on, Gabriel.
The glasses are right down at the bottom, the wing bottom.
Yeah.
I actually gonna make a pair of glasses of that.
Oh, maybe. We don't know. You gotta remember this. You gotta use this for assignments. Okay, now there's a. These are called. Well, there's bingo counters.
Yeah,
These are
but
those.
you have these. They're metal.
No, they're not. No,
They're plastic.
a whole bag of different colors. And then these things right here, they're called sound phones.
Sound phones.
I'm not sure how they're gonna use these, but we'll figure it out.
You put your mouth at the bottom, then you hear it.
Oh, okay. So it's kind of like when you do like a popcorn reading. I don't know
Yeah.
what schools do it anymore,
That's
but
right.
you put this up to your ear and you read it, and the person who has it is the one who's reading.
Yeah.
I'm guessing. I don't know.
That's
Hopefully.
that's what that is.
Now that's everything that came in the math and literacy kit. Well, put everything back.
I don't want to do these.
Okay. Well, I'm putting the stuff back. You can go ahead and open up the small STEM box. Now the STEM kit came in 2 boxes. And there's a reason for that. The one box is actually smaller than the math literacy kit, and the bigger box it's huge, and it's got a lot of stuff. I mean, some of the stuff I question why they get it, but I'm sure we'll figure it out throughout the rest of the school year why they're going to use this stuff. Sarah, you got it? Do you need help?
No, I got it.
All right. Down. Did you see that? Okay, yeah, a paper. Again, every box comes with one of these. So shipping papers. Hold on. Now, in this bag, you will have duct tape, masking tape,
A box cutter.
box cutter.
Straws, I'm guessing.
Those are, oh my gosh, one moment. Glue gun sticks.
Glue gun sticks, and then we got some clay.
Yeah, you got clay, as well as little clear tape.
And then you got this.
And then you got a baggie of skewers. That's all that's in the small box. Go ahead and open the big box. Once again, this is all stuff from Breach Library Charter School through Connections Academy. We just switched over. And I promised you guys with my first video that I would do another video of unboxing of all the STEM stuff. Did not realize the math and literacy stuff, but yeah, my son wanted to do it with me, so I figured I'd do his unboxing, because the last unboxing box I did was our other son Liam for his school material, and then we're doing Gabriel's unboxing
This has
here.
the most of it.
Now this is literally stuff you can find for randomness at home. Now, hold on, Gabriel. Hold on. All right, go ahead and hand me the stuff on top. I'll
We
go through that
got
later.
some construction paper,
We got
heavyweight
50 sheets of
10 sorted
basic construction paper.
colors.
No, leave the cat alone.
Which on the top of it has a weird face you can make if you want to. I don't know why.
Yeah. And then
you got some more Wonder Foam.
yeah, foam sheets from Creativity Street.
Then you got some balloons.
No, you stop it.
The 25 weighted balloons.
That's our dog back there being crazy.
Yeah, her name's
Forgive me
Nova.
for the mess. We still clean up from stuff. No, you be nice.
We're still trying to teach her with the cats.
Yeah,
Her name's Nova, by the way. She's
I
a
just said
girl.
that. Balloons.
Balloons.
I'll give you balloons.
25.
Next thing.
Then you got
Okay, now this big old baggie comes with, there's like 3 of these little things right here. They're for making like tornadoes in a bottle. You also got styrofoam balls. Hold on, Deborah. Slow down. Slow down. Styrofoam balls, ping pong balls, marbles, a tennis ball, golf ball, paper clips, a little fan for a motor, diapers, and aluminum pie dishes.
and then you got
I think there's also
Jenga.
a wooden spool. There's also a wooden spool.
You got Jenga.
Well, yeah, it's kind of like it basically is Jenga. It just doesn't have any words or anything on it. Tiny stack.
Yeah,
Jenga.
tiny thing of Jenga. Okay. Now we got our very own.
All right, in this baggie they got a Hot Wheel, a glue gun.
No, the Halloween's not in this one.
Yes, it is. Right there. measuring tape, paper clips, cotton swabs, toothpicks, sponges, and calm down, kiddo. He's a bit crazy and excited.
I've never been in a YouTube video.
Now the Hot Wheels, I'm gonna assume they're like random Hot Wheels that they grab from like a box or something and throw in the package, because Liam's STEM kit came with a different type of Hot Wheel than this one.
Ooh, that's nice and old.
They're not for play. They're for school. Give me that. All right, next one.
We got 100 Santa
Just call them pipe cleaners, because that's basically what they are.
They are basically pipe cleaners.
They are pipe cleaners.
100 the brand is Creative Arts.
Yeah, Creative Arts.
And then I don't know why,
No, yeah. They
we
cornered
got
it.
a poodle. I don't know what that's for, but
We'll figure it out, won't we?
it's a box poodle, same as my brother. Yeah, but then we got aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil. Good job.
Aluminum foil. 25 square feet.
Good job. All right.
Then we got millions of straws.
100 straws. A pack of 100 straws.
Which we do not know what brand.
Of course, it's just generic straws.
Then we got measuring cups.
Measuring cups, and it's nice. Measuring cups, measuring spoons.
Then you got
It's unique party tissue paper, and there's like different colors. So I think this one's just plain old orange.
Well, I didn't need to do that.
That's okay.
Alright, it's a different brand.
That was just different way the boxes. Then you got more Creativity Street wooden craft sticks, 1,000 count.
Ooh.
Ow, no back.
Wait.
And then he got a
Roll.
blue ruler. This one's clear.
My brother got a white roller. Here's a plain paper towel roll.
Actually, this is more like a cardboard roll, not a paper towel roll.
You
probably might make like a instrument or something like that. I don't know.
Guitar.
No, but stop it. No, you can't make a guitar with it. Well, you might actually. Like, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Come on. What's next?
Yay.
50 pack of clear cups. Just
Clear cup.
solo clear cups.
Then you got, I don't know why, but they are
Coffee
cream.
Coffee filters. Next.
Next we got
Cotton twine.
Cotton twine. Then we got
100 paper plates.
What the heck is
That is a balance. It's like inside of a bag.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what it looks like.
Let's see what it looks like. We didn't see what it looks like on my brother's, but
Oh, there goes the paper plates. Oh, okay. Okay, I see.
that's
So
all of it.
just, I guess it sits like on there like that, and you just
Yeah.
nice and simple.
Interesting.
Very simple.
Then you get scientists.
More safety glasses.
More safety
In my
glasses.
first video, I showed you guys that in their science kit they got safety goggles. These are safety glasses. The goggles cover the whole section of the
We
eye.
can do that.
These are just like normal glasses.
We can wear those in when we go
Cotton balls,
mowing. Then you got these. We can
rubber bands.
we can wear these when we go mowing.
Yeah, no. Maybe. I don't know.
They are protection glasses.
Yeah, they are. But you don't mow yet. You're too young. And whoa, don't do that. And then a plastic beaker.
And that's
It's,
all that.
500 milliliters.
Yeah. That is pretty nice.
This is everything they get in their stem cup. You want to start putting the stuff back? Nice. Lee, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Put the point in there first. Because, yeah, I don't want
I'll put it back in there, but in a E sort.
just put it in there. This is everything that they get in their STEM kits. Some of the stuff I question why. Other stuff I understand. But I guess it all just intertwines in like projects and stuff like that they're gonna be doing throughout their STEM workshop class. And yeah, some of the stuff they might use in I'm gonna take, I guess, science class because these could be like experimental project
Sorry about
parts
the
and stuff like that.
dinging. That's Mommy's phone.
Yeah, my phone dings with notifications. It's quite normal in this world. Just put it in there. But yeah, that's everything that they got. It's gonna be a great time at this school. I'm really excited. We already started some of the school lessons and whatnot today. Right now they're in kind of like what I would consider a break period, where I would normally right now would be working with them on their lessons and their stuff like that, like workbooks and whatnot. But since it's like just 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm gonna let them take a break because they did a lot this morning already, and of course it's Friday. Don't take anything out of there. No, leave it all in there. Leave it in there. Oh, you want to look at the Hot Wheel? You want to show them on the screen what your Hot Wheel looks like?
That's an old fashioned car.
It's nice. And then no, you're not open it until we get to that point. Don't open it. I told you, it's for school, not play. School, not play. Put it back in the bag.
We can't keep those. So when we're done with this grade, that's for play.
Yeah. They have a whole collection of Hot Wheels.
Yeah, 200 actually.
I don't know how many you have. I just know it's more than 100.
More than 100 and 2,000.
Not that much, but yes, quite a lot.
1,000.
Just a lot.
Just like as much as
Anyway,
like the big like a million, but it's not a million.
I'm gonna say that this school, they're like K-12 is not bad. Like I said, it's a good school. It's just this Connections Academy offers more for our kids, and it gives them more opportunities to do more things and to grow a little bit more.
Yeah.
Quiet. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say bye and just don't forget to like this video and subscribe and push the bell for notifications. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye everybody. Peace.
Peace out.